Guys, just remember, I am recording this in the morning. I have other things to do later on today. So it is 12:30 California time. I will be posting this video around 6 o'clock, so the prices may be a little bit higher or maybe a little bit lower. That's a possibility. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera. Guys, today we are going to talk about what's going on with Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, guys. I just want to let everybody know that, if anybody who actually trades and follows what's going on in the market, you've noticed that the market has no clear direction. In the past couple of days, all the stocks are either down or up. No matter what sector you're in, you're either down or up. It just changes day by day. And I want to remind everybody that, guys, you can short stocks. Check this out right here. Look to the bottom of the screen where it says short. I'm shorting one stock right now, and you can make money from the stock going down. Please remember that you need to learn how to short stocks, because when the market takes a massive dump, which it's looking like the market can take a massive dump in the next couple of months, it could be a year, we really don't know, but you gotta realize that there will be a time where stocks don't go up, they just go down, but you can still make money. Right here, guys, you could see it's a very small position. I'm only up about $530 because my buying power is so small. But if this was 2 to 3 times the size, I'd be up 2 to 3 times this amount of money in about 3-4 days. So it's not a bad gig at all as well, guys. Let's go into Dogecoin, because the last video I told you guys that Dogecoin was unfortunately getting close to a place where there is almost no return from, and on the 4-hourly chart we are below the 200-day moving average already right here, which is remember when I showed you guys, when you cross the 200 in the 50-day, it's no bueno. Really, when you cross the 200, it's no bueno, but when you cross the 200 in the 50, you just see massive dumps. On the 4-hourly, that's already happened, guys. It's already happened. Ever since the 15 to 200 crossed, we've seen a downward momentum of 54%, guys. 54%. Now, on the 1-day chart, we're not there yet on the 200-day moving average crossing, but we are getting there, guys. And it's unfortunate that we could possibly see a Dogecoin drop down to as low as 15 cents minimum. I say minimum, and that's what I told you in my last prediction, and we are getting there. Dogecoin is down 12% since my last prediction to you guys. So remember, I said this was coming, and it's almost here. We are down 12% since the last video I told you guys, and it's not looking like it's gonna go up anytime soon, unfortunately. So and excuse the loud noises, guys. I am recording from my cell phone because I need to get a new microphone. So yeah, if we cannot hold this 200-day moving average around 15 cents, guys, the only place we could go, unfortunately, would be down to almost 6 cents, 7 cents, guys. There's no support below 15 cents. There is no support. And look at the MACD, guys. On the MACD, fortunately and unfortunately, it doesn't look like there's much strength to the downside. The RSI is just on the floor already as it is. Could it go lower? Yeah, there's a little bit more it could go, but it's already at the floor as it is. So there is a possibility of going lower, but it's really already dragging to the floor. So let's take that into consideration. Could we see a 6-cent Dogecoin? It's a possibility, guys. But is it likely? I don't know. I don't think so, and I hope not. But it's definitely likely for us to see 15 cents for sure. And I think in the next couple of days and hours, we're gonna see price of Dogecoin go down even lower. We're at 18.5 cents right now, and that's once again 12% down from the last time I put out a video and I told you guys. And I saw somebody unsubscribe to my channel that day. A lot of people always get pissed off when I talk about Dogecoin. I'm just giving you the raw data. This is the raw data, guys. I'm not pushing anything. I don't have any hidden agenda. I have a long-term Dogecoin portfolio as well, so I'm not trying to hate on Dogecoin. I'm just telling you what's going to happen. And once again, I was right. I'm continue to be right, guys. Let's go to Bitcoin. Same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin looking like we could go even lower. If we don't, I'm just getting ready to accumulate, guys. If we don't hold $28,000 right here, that could spell some not great news for Bitcoin. And once again, below $28,000, there is nothing to hold us. I mean, maybe at 22,000, maybe we could hold. But guys, if we do not hold this channel right here, it is very important that we do right here all this. If we don't hold this, the next place is just down. It's just down from here, guys. So is that a likely scenario? It's a possible scenario. It is likelier than not to happen, but it's also just as unlikely to happen than not. And if that sounds confusing, I apologize. But there is many times where we would think, no, that's not possible. Well, in this scenario, it is very possible for us to drop down lower. As you can see, the MACD, it just starting to cross onto the red, and we haven't seen anything really, because look, we really are seeing specks. Now, unless it happens like here and then we get another pump, that would be great. But if it happens like it did here and we get this huge dump, I don't know if Bitcoin could hold 28,000. We're already 31,500. We are much lower from when I told you guys we were at 33, 34 when I made my last video. So once again, we continue to be correct on this channel, guys. We continue to be correct. Now, Ethereum is surprisingly holding somewhat strong, but once again, Ethereum is also on its way down. For sure, we could see the $1,600 Ethereum in the next couple of days, weeks. That's for sure. And there is a possibility that we could see a $1,300 to $1,200 Ethereum. I will just be buying. That's my thing. I will be buying Ethereum and Bitcoin at these low prices. But it's hard to predict whether it's going to go down all the way there, because if it bounces here at 1,700 and it goes up, you don't want to miss your opportunity to buy there. But also, if you buy here and it goes even lower, then you could have had an opportunity to buy even much lower. So it's a double-edged sword. But these are all possibilities for Ethereum right now, guys. Unfortunately, I don't see anything majorly bullish coming for Ethereum in the short term. As you can see, we are also scraping the 200-day moving average. Let me just erase this. We are scraping the 200-day moving average here, guys. And once we cross below it, if we don't hold this channel, then for sure, I think we could see a $1,200 to $1,300 Ethereum. Once again, I'll just be buying more. That's just more buying opportunities, guys. So I hope this helps, guys. I hope this gives you some insight of what could be happening with Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum in the next couple of days, hours, just know that if you're buying right now for the long term, great time to buy. Obviously, it could go lower, but I would not buy a short position at this time because you may just lose money, guys. If you're buying, it's got to be for the next 10 years. Next 10 years. This price will be a bargain sale in the next 10 years, guys. But once again, if you're buying to trade and make a quick buck, I would be very cautious right now. Very cautious, guys. Alrighty, everybody, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, like this video. If I can get even 10 likes, I would truly appreciate it. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you on the next one. And